रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। Again, in a very beautiful atmosphere of Kailash Parvata, seated below the banyan tree, it's very, very beautiful. Shiva is seated and Parvati has come to the side of Shiva. She is requesting Shiva to narrate the beautiful charitra, the beautiful accounts of the life of Sri Rama, which is the sweetest thing ever possible. Kujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam. Kujantam Rama Rameti. So Valmiki Rishi has been compared to a parrot. Valmiki Rishi has been compared to a parrot who is continuously chanting the name of Rama, Rama, and so sweetly chanting the name of Rama. So everything is sweet about Sri Ram. And that one again, Tulsidas has reproduced it in Hindi Bhasha. So making it still sweeter. The more you touch Ramayana, it keeps on becoming sweeter and sweeter only. All of us know how many people have viewed the Ramayana on the TV. How many people all over the world waiting for it. Even food becomes secondary. All the gulab jamuns become secondary, everything, but I should see Ramayana at that particular time. Such was the fervor with which everybody has seen it. After how many years? After how many years of being written when none even could, we do not know even whether we were in the brain of Brahma or whether we are, circling the universe where we do not know. Much, much before anybody, any human could ever think of being born in this world, Ramayana has been compiled. And that Ramayana in this Kali Yuga, in this 21st century, is being viewed by everybody as though stuck to the place. That's the beauty of Ramayana. We keep on, it's like a treasure house of sweetness. Keeps on becoming sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. We'll read the Chaupai once again, page number 123. Puni Prabhu kahu Rama avatara. चरित पुनि कहु उदारा। कहु जथा जानकी विवाही। राजत जासो दूषण काहि। पुनि प्रभु कहु राम अवतारा. Are we on the right place? Yes? Acha, yesterday I didn't mark it. Where are we? Can you just tell me the? Vanavasikine Charita. Okay, we just one chopai behind. We are only one chopai behind. So, again Parvati ji has requested Shivji to continue the Rama Avatara story. It's the avatar of Ram, the incarnation of Ram. And then Bala Charit, she has requested Shivji to narrate the Bala Charitra, that the childhood of Sri Ram, and how Janaki got married to Sri Ram. And then what was the reason for them to go for Vanavas? What was the defect or what was the difficulty which they faced? Ban basikine charita apara. Kahu nath jimi Ravan mara. Raja baitikini kini bahulila. सकल कहु शंकर सुख सीला. बन बसिकी ने चरित अपारा. Residing in the forest, Would anyone of us like to reside in the forest? Even if given the opportunity, we would like to be within this, this beautiful city of, Namma Uru Bengaluru. Within the city, within the four walls, with all the dazzling. Nobody would like to go to the forest. Banabasi Kine Charit Apara. Going or residing in the forest, what are the beautiful things which Sri Ram did? Kahu Nath Jimmy Ravana Mara. Tell us how Rama slew Ravana. Rajabai Tikini Bahulila. And then how once again he came back to the Rajya Simhasana. And then what all Leelas he did. Sakala Kahu Sankar Sukusila. Tell me everything in detail. Bahuri Kahu Karunayatana. Keen Jo Acharaj Ram. Praja Sahit Raghubamsamani. Kimi Gavane Nijadhama. Oh, embodiment of compassion, Shankar, tell me in detail, absolutely in detail, the excellent accounts of the life of Sri Rama, along with the citizens of Ayodhya, that Raghuvamsha Mani, that beautiful jewel of the lineage of Raghu Maharaj, how he ultimately left this place, the earthly mortal life, and then went back to Vaikuntha. That also you narrate to me. Puni Prabhu kahu so tattva bhakhani. Jehi Vigyan Magan Muni Jnani. Bhagati Jnana Vigyan Viraga. Puni Sabu Baranahu Sahita Vibhaga. One is the beauty of the incarnation of Sri Ram as a the human form. And ultimately, what is the tattva behind that? What is the principle behind that? Puni Prabhu kahu so tattva bakhani. Tell me all in detail the principle of the incarnation of Paramatma, the formless becoming of form. Jehi Vigyan Magan Muni Jnani. All the Munis and Jnanis meditating upon that science. Vigyan means that experiential knowledge. How they are so blissful. Bhagati Jnana Vigyana Viraga. Devotion, knowledge, and then experiential knowledge, and then dispassion. Not at all being attached to anything. How is this possible? Punisab Baranahu Sahita Vibhaga. Once again, describe everything to me in detail. Absolutely, clearly describe everything to me. Aurau Ram Rahasya Aneka. Aurau Ram Rahasya Aneka. Kahu Nath Ati Bimala Viveka. Kahu Nath Ati Bimala Viveka. Jo Prabhu मैं पूछा नहीं होई. जो प्रभु मैं पूछा नहीं होई. जो सो दयाल राखौ जनि गोई. सो दयाल राखौ जनि गोई. If there is anything else about Sri Ram which I have not asked you, Aurau Rama Sahis Rahasya Aneka, all the secrets of Sri Ram's life, you tell me. Kahu Nath Adi Bimala Viveka, your knowledge, Bhagavan Shankar, your knowledge and your clarity of vision is unsurpassed by anybody in the world. You can only give us. Jnanamichet Maheshwarat. If a person, a devotee wants knowledge, one appreciates Bhagavan Shiva. Arogyamichet Bhaskarat. If one wants health, one should propitiate Bhagavan Surya. For knowledge, go to Shiva. For health, you propitiate Lord Surya. So, Jo Prabhu मैं पूछा नहीं को होई. By chance I have left out in question asking you, even that also. So Dayal Rakhau Jani Goi. Don't ever keep it as a secret. Please reveal everything to me. Tum Tribhuvan Guru Veda Bakhana. An Jiva Power Ka Jana. रसन उमा कै सहज सुहाई, छल विहीन सुनि शिव मन भाई. Parvati is now giving a beautiful adjective to Shiva. Tum Tribhuvana Guru. You are Jagat Guru. You are the master, you are the actual preceptor for the entire world. That is what the Vedas say. You are Maheshwara. An Jivan Power Ka Jana, normal human being or a person of minimum intellect, how can you understand your glory? And hearing this beautiful Uma's question, which is very modest and humble, Chal Bihina Suni Shiva Mana Bhai, it was very touching to Shiva hearing these words of Parvati. Harahiya Ram Charita Sab Aaye, Prem Pulak Lochan Jal Chaaye, Shri Raghunath Roop Ur Aava, Paramananda Amita Sukha Pava. Harahiya Ramacharita Sab Aaye. The moment Uma asked this question, then tears started rolling from Shiva's eyes. Tears started rolling from Shiva's eyes. Pulakit means he is overwhelmed now. He is having horripilation. Horripilation means how the hairs stand up. That is called horripilation. So he is horripilated, completely overwhelmed by even the listening to the question of Uma, so beautifully, humbly asked. Prema Pulaka Lochana Jal Chai Shri Raghunath Roop Ura Aava. He could immediately visualize the entire form of Shri Ram in his heart. Paramananda Amita Sukha Bhava. He experienced the bliss, what we call as Paramananda, the ultimate bliss of yogis and everything. He experienced. Shiva has experienced that bliss now. Magana Dhyana Rasa Danda Juga, Puniman Bahir Keena, Raghupati Charita Mahesa Taba, Harashit Barane Leena, Magana Dhyana Rasa Danda Juga. Immediately he completely lost himself in the beautiful, that wonderful taste, wonderful experience, that blissful experience of that meditation upon Rama. And for one moment, for 2 moments, he brought back himself. He has lost inside, he brought himself back outside. Then he started with, very full of joy, he started narrating the charitra of Sri Ram. Jhoothe hu satya jahi binu jane, Jimi bhujang binu raju pahichane, Jehi jane jag jai herai, Jage jatha sapan bhram jai, Jhoothe hu satya jahi binu jane. Because of what? Because of which knowledge? Without which knowledge, even the lie or the untruth seems to be truth. See, that is Maya. The nature of Maya is, it makes untruth to look like truth. Khote sikke ko sache sikke jaise dikhata. False, or what notes do you call them? Counterfeit notes, counterfeit coins, counterfeit currency also looks like real currency. Only by printing, all printing technology, beautiful. And then you can make people look like one another. So much technology, plastic surgery and whatnot surgeries we have, you can make anybody look like anybody else also. That is the power of Maya. The power of Maya is unbelievable, which makes Jhootehu Satya Jahi Binu Jani. It looks up, even the untruth looks like truth. Jimi Bhujang Binu Raju Pahichani. When you see in the darkness, mild light is there, very mild light is there. If there is a rope lying down and you are just walking there, you suddenly are shocked that it might be a snake. Because that is the power of Maya. Jehi jane jag jai herai, after knowing which the entire world becomes like an illusion. Once you know the truth, the entire world itself becomes like an illusion. Like once you wake up, the dream is an illusion. Once you wake up, the dream seems to be, while you were dreaming, it was as though it was very real. Your heartbeat also increased. And also you wanted to, you thought you could actually talk to the person, you are talking to the person. Everything is so real in the dream. But the moment you wake up, what happened to the dream? Just vanished like that. So that is the truth by which we know all these things. So we'll pause here today. Hari Om Tat Sat.